Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to explain about all pair shortest path problem by using dynamic method. Okay. See, first let me explain about how the problems will be solved by using the dynamic method process. Okay. In the dynamic method process, you need to consider the sequence of decisions. That is, for each step, you have to make a decision. Okay. To get the perfect results. Okay, in the all pair shortest path, you need to find the shortest distance from all the vertices. Okay, now let us see how the shortest distance will be found for the given graph. Okay, this is the graph, and for this graph you need to find the shortest distance. Okay, from vertex 1 to 2, vertex 1 to 3. Okay, and in the same way from vertex 2 to 1, from vertex 2 to 3, and in the same way from vertex 3 to 1 and from vertex 3 to 2, the shortest distance will be found. Okay, first we need to represent a matrix representation for the given vertices. All the distances will be represented in the matrix representation. Okay, see, there is no self loops in the graph, so all the self loops will remain 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 values are represented as zeros. Now the distance from 1 to 2 is 4. Distance from 1 to 3 is 11. Distance from 2 to 1 is 6. Distance from 2 to 3, 2. Distance from 3 to 1, 3. Distance from 3 to 2. There is no representation, there is no edge representing the distance from 3 to 2. So it will be noted as infinity. Okay. See, the all pairs shortest path problem will be solved by using only a single formula. Okay, now let us see what was the formula used for solving the all pair shortest path problem. Okay, see, a of k I comma j equal to minimum of a of k minus 1 I comma j comma a of k minus 1 I comma k plus a of k minus 1 k comma j. Okay, see, k represents the matrix number. Okay, a1, a2, a3, like that. K represents the matrix number, and I comma j represents the ordered pair which we are taken in the matrix, and we will take the minimum value of these two values. Okay, see, first for finding the A1 matrix, that is we are finding the distance, shortest distance for the vertex 1. Okay, as we are finding the shortest distance for the vertex 1, these values, the values which were related to vertex 1 will remain unchanged. So we will note the values as it is. Okay, the values which are related to vertex 1 remains unchanged, and the diagonals also remains unchanged. Okay, so we need to find the value of a1 of 2 comma 3, a1 of 3 comma 2. These two values we need to find. Okay, you need to find the value of a of 2 comma 3. For finding the value of value for this ordered pair, we'll use the same formula, minimum of a0 of 2 comma 3 comma a0 of 2 comma 1 plus a0 of 1 comma 3. Now we'll take the values from this matrix. a0 of 2 comma 3 means a0 of 2 comma 3 value is 2, 2 is noted here, and a0 of 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 6, plus a0 of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 value is 11. See, minimum of 2 comma 17. In these two values we'll take the minimum value, so the minimum value is 2. So a1 of 2 comma 3 value, the distance of a of 2 comma 3 is 2. Okay, in the same way, minimum of a0 of 3 comma 2 comma a0 of 3 comma 1 plus a0 of 1 comma 2. Okay, minimum of a0 of 3 comma 2 means 3 2, value is infinity, comma a0 of 3 comma 1 3 1, value of 3 1 is 3 plus a0 of 1 2 4. Okay, so minimum of infinity comma 7. So infinity is greater than 7. So as we are considering the shortest distance, we will take the value of 7. Okay, we will fill the value 7 in this matrix. Now you need to find the shortest distance from vertex 2. Okay, for finding the shortest distance for vertex 2, you need to keep the values which are related to vertex 2 as same. Okay, see 6 0 2 and 4 0 7, these two the second row and second column of the matrix will be remains unchanged, and the diagonals also remains unchanged. 1 2 3. Okay, see, you need to find out a2 of 1 comma 3 value and a2 of 3 comma 1 value. Okay, by using the same formula. See, minimum of a1 of 1 comma 3 comma a1 of 1 comma 2 plus a1 of 2 comma 3. See, minimum of a1 of 1 comma 3. See, I am writing the a1 matrix here. The values of a1 matrix 0 4 11 6 0 2 3 7 0. Okay, these are the values in a1 matrix. See, now consider a1 of 1 comma 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3. a1 of 1 comma 3 value is 11 comma a1 of 1 comma 2 4 plus a1 of 2 comma 3 3. Minimum of 11 comma 4 plus 2, minimum of 11 comma 6. In these two values, the minimum value is 6. So the value of a2 of 1 comma 3 will be replaced as 6. Here 1 comma 3 value is 11, but 6 is smaller value, so we are replacing the value with 6. Okay, now let us find the value of a2 of 3 comma 1. Minimum of a1 of 3 comma 1 comma a1 of 3 comma 2 plus a1 of 2 comma 1. Okay, see, minimum of 3 comma 1. 3 comma value is 1 3. 3 comma value is 3 comma a1 of 3 2. 3 2 value is 7 plus a1 of 2 comma 1 value is 6. So minimum of 3 comma 13. In these two values, the minimum value is 3, so the value remains unchanged. Till now you have seen the shortest distance up to vertex 2. Now for finding the shortest distance for vertex 3, you need to make the third vertex, third row and third column as unchanged. Okay, so you need to these values remains unchanged, 6 2, and diagonals also remains unchanged. So you need to find the value of a of a of 1 comma 2 and a3 of 2 comma 1. Okay, minimum of a2 of 1 comma 2 comma a2 of 1 comma 3 plus a2 of 3 comma 2. See, minimum of a2 of 1 comma 2, a2 of 1 comma 2 value is 4 comma a2 of 1 comma 3 value is 6 plus a2 of 3 comma 2 value is 7. Minimum of 4 comma 13, the shortest value is 4, minimum value is 4, so the value remains unchanged. Okay, now let us consider for the order pair a3 of 2 comma 1, a2 of 2 comma 1 comma a2 of 2 comma 3 plus a2 of 3 comma 1. See, minimum of a2 of 2 comma 1 value is 6 comma a2 of 2 comma 3 value is 2 plus a2 of 3 comma 1 value is 3. Minimum of 6 comma 5, so the shortest value is 5, so we will consider a3 of 2 comma 1 as 5. Okay, these are the shortest distances for the vertices of the given problem.